This is the entryway to a tower silo that's literally been turned into a house. It has everything: kitchen, bathroom, barbecue, hot tub, gorgeous views. I took a road trip to Ellensburg, a small town in Washington State mainly known for hosting the largest rodeo in Washington. And what's a part of rodeos? Cows. And what do cows eat? Grass. What holds and preserves grass? Well, a silo. In order to really understand the importance of a tower silo for feed storage, one must look back at the history of this wonderful storage vehicle. The tower silo was instrumental in the past because the concept of using gravity for compaction worked best then and still works best today. Nothing works like a silo. Historical records indicate that beans and other leguminous grain preservation were utilized during the time of King Pyrrhus, which dated back all the way to 272 BC. Caverns in Greece were used, and records reveal that some grains were discovered in a good state of preservation after being stored for about 220 years.
1 million, zillion, jillion, dillion, cotillion times later.
The early Egyptians, however, developed a system of grain storage that consisted of separate storage buildings containing masonry structures. These structures had vaulted roofs and were filled through a hole near the top. The grain was later removed from a door at the base of the structure. Now, deriving from the word siros is the word silage, which is basically a pasture that's been essentially pickled. And that's exactly what this used to be. Let's go inside. So we get the shelving, which is really nice. We got the microwave here. I normally like the wood, but I like when it's like the cross members. I don't even know how to explain it, but this, it looks like a slab, but I'm pretty sure this is that, crap, and then you put whatever. Anyways, we got the sink here, really nice, commercial. Oh, let's get that back in there. I think it's, not sure on the material on exactly what it is, but we got our Keurig, coffee, rice, random crap up here. We got our range right here and our oven. Gallons fridge right here. It actually comes with strawberry shortcake, which I'm not a fan of, but that's okay. I'm cooling off my electronics. Don't worry about this. Right over here is pretty much, we just got a couch, a little nightstand. It's not overlooking a TV or anything. It's a cool little hangout area over here. Obviously the electrical panel over there. And then, you know what? Obviously a little picnic area. It's super cool. It's it's a tree, it's a log, and I don't know. I feel like those are really expensive. We got our grill right over here, a really nice hot tub. Obviously the cover's kind of old and dated, but look at that. So we'll definitely be going in there tonight. And then we got a cute little kitty here. Hey, meow. Hey, kitty. Hey. Hey. You wanna come upstairs? So actually, pretty sure Dio's upstairs. So hopefully those two cats either do or don't. Oh, there he is. Hey, Dio. Hey. We got the bed here, just a tiny little area. You can't even walk around on that end. So just to give you it's obviously from the the lighting, I'm pretty sure that what's that ring right there, but you can't see. But anyways, it's pretty small area up here. TV, I already checked. It's not a smart TV, but I'm not worried about it. Just a normal, porcelain or acrylic shower right there. Bathroom. I mean, we got I actually really like the copper piping. It goes all throughout the house. I actually think that might be plastic. And then you got this cowboy right here. Oh! All right, so here is our view. A beautiful ceramic towels. Beautiful ceramic tile. We have a nice little, it's either a wind block, I think the neighbors are over there, so it's kind of just little privacy fence. It does get really windy in Ellensburg. I did a lot of research. Okay, wow, holy crap. You can't really see, but that's at least 5 feet. I guess that's not a lot for a cat. Yeah? Dio's up here. Do you really? Okay. I don't know if this is a Dio. Dio looks like he's ready to attack. Okay, it might be time to get you outside. Yeah. Oh. Nice cat. Bad sense of character. I literally thought a tick just flew on me, even though ticks don't fly. But it's not a tick. We're walking on one of the most, or the most popular trail in Ellensburg. It's a 3.5 mile hike. So before I cook up some dinner tonight and show the surprise, I want to get a good and jump in the hot tub, baby. I want to get a good workout going and hopefully maybe even dip in the Riv. I don't even know. I'm ready to get weird, get wild. Send me a video of yourself saying weird Airbnb to my Instagram. The link is in the description. And if I think your video is the best, it'll be in my next video. All you gotta say is weird Airbnb. I think it's time for the surprise. Good morning. How did I sleep? Oh, I actually slept pretty good. They had these face masks, you know, things you cover your eyes with, and oh, I thought it was dark until now. So I literally just woke up. Stayed up pretty late. I didn't even have a chance to turn on the camera, say goodnight. But let's talk about this Airbnb. Exterior. It's a silo. It's metal wrapped. There's no leaking or anything. I feel like it could be a little bit more cooler or spontaneous. I mean, there's always that wow factor. You know, it's gray metal. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10 just because I wasn't bamboozled by it. Interior, I mean, I don't know what to expect. It's a freaking silo. I thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger based off pictures, but then again, I'm a real estate agent and I see that all the time with listing pictures. You either see the pictures on a Zillow or whatever and you're like, wow, this is gorgeous. Then you go see the house. Not the case. The interior is great, no complaints. It's got everything you need. They're super accommodating. I wish they had creamer. They have a really cute cat. Hey, kitty, kitty. Come on. The only thing I have to say about the interior is I don't know when they did the renovations, but there's a lot of creaking. There was also, like, it sounded like someone kept opening the door. Like, I'm like, did I do something wrong and they're gonna come kick me out? Like, I had so much anxiety. Okay, the overall trip, gosh, I mean, can I just go through it with you guys? It's a 2-hour drive, or 2.5 hour drive. So, I mean, I left a little early. I was able to go to that museum, which was, you know, super cool. The reason I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10 is because the area that we're in, right? So the main reason I do these videos is for you guys. You get to explore the world with me. You guys get to see these weird Airbnbs. The number one way you can support me is supporting the channel, which the link is in the description. It says support the channel. But that's what helps me be able to travel more out of, you know, Washington State and go to different countries. And, you know, you guys can come along and see the world with me. With being out and seeing the world, I like to go to a city where there's cool things to go to and cool things to see. It's a ghost town here. There's really not a lot to do. You guys saw I went on the hike and there was a lake there. I had to leave. It was so windy and there was I think it was cotton or cattails or something, but this cotton ball stuff was flying around and hit me in the face and in the eyes and it was so bad. Thank you all to 100,000 subscribers. We have a special video coming out for that. We'll see y'all in the next video.